Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn on shift lock mode for Swing Obby for Brainrots. So let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to find out how to turn on shift lock mode, make sure you watch the video up until the end, but anyways, let's get straight into it. So in order to turn on shift lock mode, you guys need to go over to settings. From settings, go ahead and turn on shift lock switch on, and once that's on, you guys need to click on the left shift lock key on your keyboard, or I believe the right one also works, but anyways, just click the left or the right shift lock key on your keyboard, and once you click that, you guys will be good to go and you can use shift lock mode. If for some reason your shift lock mode is not working, then I just highly recommend using a different keyboard instead and using it that way. So that should be pretty much it. That is how to use shift lock mode in Swing Obby for Brainrots. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.